Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I am very excited, and that's because we got the Fortune Auto coilovers delivered today. I'm stoked. I'm gonna get these on as soon as possible, but we got some other repairs we got to focus on first with my daily, my 4Runner. So these may sit in the box for another month, unfortunately, but we will get them on eventually. So anyways, hope everybody's having a good day out there. Gonna take the M4 to the gym. Gonna go fill the tank up real quick, get some gas, and then we'll get started. All right, let's put these away. Garage is super messy, so just act like you didn't see this. Just put those right there for now. I'll get into a video on unboxing those, showing you guys a little bit more about that, but like I said, I got some issues with the 4Runner right now. Ignition coil issues that's going on. Fortunately, they're still under warranty, so if that is the issue, and it's not something greater, hopefully it's just a free little fix there and get the car back up and running. So yeah, like you guys saw, man, got the Fortune 500. Well, I think they're the 500 series coilovers. I'd have to go double check. Honestly, I ordered them like 2 months ago. Can't remember the exact ones I got right now. I wasn't even expecting them. Well, I was expecting them to come yesterday, and they never showed up, and then they showed up today. So kind of caught me out of the blue on my lunch break today from work. So but man, am I excited to get those installed. Holy crap, man. I've been waiting to get coilovers for this car for so long. There was just things I needed to do before I got coilovers, and you know, I was going back and forth on if I even wanted to do that versus getting springs for a long time. And way back in my old videos, I kind of had a discussion on what I wanted to do there, but I'm really excited. It just should make the fitment perfect, and I'm really looking forward to that. So I'll do an unboxing with all that sometime soon, probably tonight. But I want to record it, kind of show you guys what the unboxing looks like, and get that all nicely recorded and documented for you guys. So maybe one day, if you want to get Fortune Auto coilovers, then you can see what you're gonna have in store. So I'm gonna whip around right here without trying to. But yeah, I was super stoked on getting those today. I can kind of talk about why Fortune Auto, why I went with Fortune Auto over the other brands out there, but I think I'll save that for another video. Parking under trees at the gym, just getting sap all over my car. So that's annoying. Gotta give it a wash soon anyways. But yeah. Take some videos real quick. All right. The gym, back in biceps today. Let me know down in the comments if you guys like the car without the burbles, if you guys like the burbles. What do you prefer? If you were in my shoes, would you whip the M4 with the burbles on or with no burbles? Let me know down in the comments. To me, I really like, I don't know, the burbles are fun sometimes, but sometimes they can kind of get old and just a little embarrassing sometimes. I don't know. So maybe I just gotta tune it right. I think a nice little backfire every now and then is what I'm looking for. But yeah. Yep. A little overcast today. Had a very gloomy day yesterday. Kind of made me excited for fall. Really love fall, Christmas time. I guess Christmas would fall under winter, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I got a call from the shop today where my Toyota 4Runner is at, and they said oh, we're getting check engine lights for your ignition coils. And I said, yeah, I know. I scanned it and I told I told you that that's what I was getting. So they clearly don't know what's going on with it. They'll probably, my guess is, replace the ignition coils and see if that fixes it, but I really don't think that that's the issue. I think it's a circuit failure of some sort. And one thing's for certain, I do not mess with electrical stuff or circuits. No sir, that is not something I'm willing to get into. So let them handle it. Yeah, almost the weekend. I'm super excited. I got a busy weekend. Got my best friend's baby shower on Saturday. You know, getting to that age where all my buddies are having kids. Super happy for his girl, his wife, and should be a good weekend. I'm really excited. By the time I post this, it'll probably be, I don't know, sometime mid next week, but can't stop thinking about my coilovers. I really just want to get them installed. What I'm hoping for is that the Forerunner, I don't have to pay for the repairs, because hopefully they're just like faulty ignition coils, and they're still under warranty, like I said, so that I don't have to pay for those repairs, and then I can just use that money to install the coilovers. And I know I'm gonna get some comments that are like, you know, telling me to install the coilovers myself, and my answer to that is I don't know how. I'm sure I could learn, but I talked with somebody I talked with BIMTech, Ivan at BIMTech in Linwood. If you guys are in the area, shout out BIMTech, shout out Ivan. If you got a BMW, if you like tuning, modding your BMW, that's the place to go. But anyways, he told me that Fortunato ships their coilovers disassembled. So we'll have to assemble them first and then install them on the car. And that takes a ton of tools and stuff that I don't have, and I don't know how to do that. So trust me, if I knew how to do it, I would, and one day I'll learn. So my biggest concern is getting them assembled first, because I don't want to screw that up. So, but yeah. Anyways, we are at the gym. Good old 24-hour. And should be a good workout. Back and biceps are one of my favorites, so get a good pump from that, get the biceps all juiced up and shit, you know. So we're gonna have fun. I was feeling real tired at work today, but I pulled it together. It's always like when you get done with work, you just get this like boost of energy and you're like, okay, I'm ready to go. Which is funny, because I should be more prepared at work, but I'm not. Sorry, that buzzing is really annoying. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. I'm gonna go get this lift in. I'm gonna go home, enjoy the night, and then tomorrow's Friday. We're gonna have a good day. Hope you guys have a great day, great night, whatever time it is, wherever you're watching. appreciate you. Appreciate the support. Hit that sub button if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment what you guys want to see next. And man, that's it for me. Until next time. Peace.